Hey guys, welcome back to another Watch Me Clean Wednesday. I am showing you the before of our master bathroom. It is a mess and I'm going to clean that up for you guys today. And I wanted to say that before I get started, this is actually a collab with my good friend Lindsay from Lindsay's Life and Style. And if you guys like my style of cleaning and you like my cleaning videos, I know you will love hers. That's why I asked her to collab with me, just because I know that you can kind of get stuck on one person's cleaning and it's fun to discover new people. And I know that if you guys like me, you will really like her. So I'm inserting a little clip here to kind of give you an idea of what you will get there on Lindsay's channel. But like I said, her style of cleaning is very similar to mine. So if you like my channel, you will love hers. Alright, so I'm just going to start by getting everything out that doesn't belong in there and then put up everything in its place. And I am going to be going through and organizing underneath of those cabinets very soon. And I do plan to film that for you guys, so be on the lookout for that. And if anyone is wondering what that black thing is that my phone is sitting on, that is just a Bluetooth speaker. I get a lot of questions about that thing, and that's all it is. It's just a Bluetooth speaker because I am listening to my music. Over the summer breeze, out of safe songs, finding hidden caves, all the wet stones shaped by the. So I'm using this Clorox Sentivia that I picked up at Target. If you watched that vlog, you saw when I was shopping in Target and I found all of the new Sentivia things. I believe they actually have some toilet wands in the Sentivia scent as well, and I am excited to pick some of those up and try. I did not get them this time though. So I am using it in that coconut scent, and I'm going to be honest, you guys, I really dislike it. Like, I dislike it so much that I'm not going to be using it. I can't even go on. Now, this that I'm showing you right now, the spray foam in the Sentivia and the pink one, I love it. I love it in the regular cleaner, like I use the coconut stuff, and I love it in this. It worked really well. I sprayed down the shower and the bathtub, and I let those soak to kind of break down that soap scum and stuff. And then I cleaned it and it smelled really good, and I ended up really liking that, so I do recommend it to you. But the coconut spray was not my favorite. Now, you may like it, so I'm just going to say if you go and get it in the store, just smell it first. It's a nice smell. It's just for cleaning. I don't know. It really honestly kind of made me nauseous. I don't know. I didn't like it for cleaning at all. So I'm just going in with my Lemmy Shine to clean my mirrors, and I like that stuff. I don't have really anything to say about it. It's just like Windex, but I think it's like a natural version of Windex. It does the job. But yeah, as far as the Clorox Sentivia, the pink stuff, you guys know I've tried that, love it, I've repurchased it, but the new scent and the coconut I do not like at all. So I just grabbed a little toothbrush that I keep under there for cleaning for tough spots like this, and I had noticed there was some buildup under and around the faucet, so I used that toothbrush to kind of really get up in there, and it was pretty gross what came out, and it smelled really awful. So if you have a faucet similar to this, or really any faucet, I do recommend spraying some cleaner up in there, kind of let it soak and do its thing, and it will kind of draw out some of the bacteria and stuff that gets trapped, and then use a little toothbrush to scrub up in those crevices and get it really clean. That's something I just do here and there as needed, but it's definitely something that I always do. Like, I have a toothbrush in the kitchen and one in the bathroom, and I just use it for little things like that. Right where you wanted me, this my defeated face, make it easier for you to wake up and do it all over again. But here I stand out of your cement, now moving target. So where are you now? So here I am just taking some Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface to wipe down my cabinets. They get really dirty with fingerprints and makeup, since this is where I do my makeup. So I just really quickly went in and wiped those down with that Mrs. Meyer's. You're only sorry when someone was looking, when people can't even look you in the eye. What kind of satisfaction does that give? And just a little side note, you saw me take out the rugs and towels in the beginning, and they were in the wash. I washed those and dried them and put them back in when they were all done. Eyes help you sleep at night, 'cause at the time you had me right where you wanted me. Just my defeated face, make it easier for you to wake up and do it all over again. But here I stand, out of your demand. Now I'm moving target, so where are you now? Yeah, you heard me, is that... So here I am just taking that little thing that I get from the Dollar Tree, and I actually am out now because I threw this one out when I was done with the shower. That was just its last cleaning job. It was done after this. I actually didn't even have any soap or anything in it, but I still really like to use these things, especially when I have Dawn and vinegar in them. And I still recommend putting Dawn and vinegar in, even if you're going to use something like Comet or something to break down that soap scum. It's definitely not necessary to do that, but I just like to do that, so I do. But this time I did not have it in there. I was just using it to scrub, and it did fine. But I definitely need to get more of these because I ran out. And you can get them at the Dollar Tree. They're $1, and you can actually buy a pack of, I think, 3 of the heads and just replace the heads if you want, or you can just get an entire new one. And I usually just get an entire new one. I mean, it's $1. And then this thing here, I actually had a subscriber recommend something like this for me because I hate rinsing out my shower. So thank you. I actually went to Lowe's, and I think it was $10, and my husband hooked it up in like 2 minutes, and I just put it on there when I need to clean the shower. It literally takes me 30 seconds to pop it on and to pop it off, and it makes it so much easier. So I'm inserting a picture right here of this t-shirt, and these are now available. So if you guys are interested in getting a shirt like that, then you can check the description box, and I have all the information there. So I'm just wiping down around the door handle and on the door because my hair products get caked on there, so I like to keep up on that so it doesn't get too hard to get off. And I also wiped down my light switch covers. I didn't get that on film, but I did wipe them down. And now I'm just taking this Method Anti-Bac to spray around the walls of the toilet because I just like to spray that when I'm doing a deep clean and just scrub down there just because it's near the toilet and it's gross. And I always wipe down the baseboards when I'm doing that as well. And then I'm using this called Dahlia Red Currant. I think I said that right. And you guys know I love the Tangelo Palm Frond and I love the Pear and Agave. I'm not a huge fan of this one. It doesn't stink, but it's definitely not my favorite, and I probably wouldn't repurchase it. It smells a little more perfumey than the others, so that's the best way I can describe it. But yeah, that's what I was using just on the shower curtain, and then I quickly dusted my blinds. I know someone will ask me why I have blinds in my bathroom, and there's two reasons. One is because the sun comes in there really majorly in the morning and it makes it really hot in there, and two, because I just don't like the fact that people can see my shadow through there, so it just makes me feel better. And I was using my Bissell Steam Mop. That is always linked in the description box. I do love it and recommend it. And I'm all done. I hope you guys like this, and I will see you guys next time.